Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for 6 May 2021. So this analysis is for 6 May only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 7th May. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, I'm using the weekly time frame. Okay. As I always say, weekly time frame is also, or a higher time frame is also equally necessary, because this is the time frame, or these are the time frames of the big players, those who decide the direction of the market. Traders like you and me, we do not decide the direction and course of the market. The big players, the hedge funds, the banks, they decide the market, and they usually trade on the higher time frame. So instead of I also trade in 4 hours 1 hour time frame, but consulting a higher time frame is equally necessary. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and as we can see on the screen, this week market has formed a green candle, and previous week we can see that market tried to go up, but there was some price rejection from above. As a result, market came down and market formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Before that week also, market tried to go up, face price rejection. The price could not sustain. As a result, market formed a hammer again. For 2 consecutive weeks, market formed a hammer, which means market tried to go up, but there are some sellers present in the market who push the price downward. Okay. And this week, market is trying to go up again. And we can see that there is also a support available on a weekly chart, which is very good, or a good sign. Okay, let me draw a line here. Okay, this is a support and this is the resistance on the weekly chart. Now let's switch to our beloved 4 hours time frame. Now see, this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and right now market is trading at 1.3924. Okay, this is the current market price. So we have got the support and resistance from the weekly chart. This is the support, 1.3774, and here this is the resistance, 1.3965. So we have got two levels on the market as of now, but right now you can see that market is trading in between. Market is trading here. So what do you think, what you should do now? You should buy or you should sell? As I always say in my videos, that before executing any order, you should always look for the area of value. If you're planning to buy, or if you're looking for buying opportunity, okay, you should always buy near the support. If you're planning to sell, or if you're looking for shorting opportunity, you should always be looking for the resistance. As of now, you can see that yes, market is in resistance. Okay, market is at the resistance or near the resistance. Okay, but still there is a price rejection from below as well. Look at this candle. Okay, look at this candle. Price rejection from above and price rejection from below, and more or less this is a resistance. Okay, there are some sellers present here also. Okay, but if you ask me, then this level is the real deal here. Okay, this is the level 1.3965 and 1.3774. This is the level that you should be keeping your eyes on. Okay, so if you are a risky trader and if you want to execute any order, okay, you can go ahead, but I'll suggest that you should not go for any trade right now, because see, if you buy here, okay, if you buy here right now, okay, then your stop loss will be here. This is your stop loss and this is your take profit target, because we have seen the resistance. This is your take profit target. Your stop loss is bigger than the take profit, so it's a strict no. And if you are planning to short the market, okay, if you have the urge to to be on a trade, and if you're planning to short the market, then that will be very foolish, because just look at this price rejection. So this is not the right or ideal place to go for any trade. Hopefully you've understood, okay? Because your risk to reward ratio does not match if you are looking for buying opportunities. If you want to sell, then you cannot ignore this price rejection. Therefore, wait for the price either to reach this level or this level. This is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So if price goes up and hit this level, 1.3965 level, then just observe the price. Just try to understand the market psychology. Understanding the market psychology is the main thing. Okay, just try to observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near this level, okay, then it will be very clear to us that yes, sellers are still present in the market who are not allowing the price to go up, and we can short the market. Once we get the confirmation can be in the form of a hammer, price rejection from above, or candles like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, price is about to reverse, you can short the market at this level, 1.3965 level. And on the other hand, if it crosses this level, okay, then also do not buy. Then also do not buy, because see, we have one more resistance here. So if it crosses this level, then also leave GBP USD for today. I'll come back tomorrow again. I'll tell you what you need to do if it crosses this level. On the other hand, if it reverses from here, you can short the market. I have already told you. On the other hand, if it comes down to this level, and if it bounces from here, you can go for a buy. Easily you can go for a buy. But do remember, confirmation is important. Confirmation can be in the form of price rejection from below, hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, sorry, I told you this is hammer, this is inverted hammer, shooting star. Okay, once you get a confirmation in the form of a hammer price rejection from below, or a green candle like this, you can go for a buy at this level or at this support, 1.3774. okay, but this is not the ideal position. Okay, this is not the ideal position to go for any trade. If you go for any trade right now, this will be a gamble, not technical analysis. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.